Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to Weaponry, and I'm here with some of my new friends and new on the channel,
let's go!
ASWE12, and Dramatic, so, yeah. Say hi. I said say hi, you don't.
No.
Oh yeah,
Was that one
I'm here for
nostalgic old song
I'm here
that
for like the 400th
YouTube
time.
intros thing?
Huh?
I'm here for the 400th time.
Yeah.
God damn it, it's bulletproof. I'm gonna freaking.
No,
But you should probably just expect me.
yeah, I just expect him. He's basically a regular.
Get over here, you dumbass. Oh, let's go.
No.
I'm gonna take your AUG as my
No,
secondary.
you.
I took your fucking AUG. Fight me.
I bet. No. Who's trying to knife you?
You thought.
I'm done.
What about a skibbity dog?
Fuck. You thought.
I was about to say a clever one-liner, but then you shot me 7 times in the chest.
Oh, what
No,
a
that
nice way
was.
to say a funny one-liner show gets hit in the chest
You know,
with buckshot.
shooting people 7 times in the chest isn't very nice.
Does it look
Exactly.
like does it look like I give a shit?
If somebody is trying to kill you, I don't think that person has very nice relations with you. Gotcha.
So, have you guys watched any Shorts Wars?
What? Schwartz Wars? What?
Have you not? Have you not?
Have you not used YouTube Shorts in the past?
Oh yeah.
In the past freaking 2 weeks? Do you not know the tragic death of Clone Pear?
What?
Yeah.
Who is flown to Paris? Flown to Paris? Who is embarrassed?
Royal Pear's clone. He bravely sacrificed. I'm not gonna turn this into.
He bravely sacrificed himself for the motherland. He sacrificed himself for the motherland.
Yes, that's what Clone Pear did. Thank you.
4A1.
You cannot stop me.
You know, when you killed me, you stepped on my dick.
What? Yeah, that's definitely a good thing to bring up in an average conversation.
Shit.
Bro!
It's like a good gun.
Oh, that's Holden's. That's Holden's. I stole it from him.
Yeah.
I stole Holden's gun from you. Capitalism. Do it.
Yes, I love capitalism.
I love capitalism.
We live in a society.
We all live in a yellow submarine. No, wait.
Get the fuck over here.
We all live in a society.
Not
So you know, we all live in a submarine. My food just. We all live in a society.
I've taken Holden's.
Hey, what's a good weapon?
I've taken Holden's AUG. Holden's AUG has just switched hands this entire game.
Nope. Mom said it's my turn on Holden's AUG. Mom said it's my turn on Holden's AUG.
Holden, your AUG has switched hands the entire game.
More, my AUG has switched hands more than a kid in a divorced couple.
God damn it.
You.
And then Holden beat the shit out of me.
Until he literally started shooting out gold. No.
Fucking. I was laying.
Last
You know
words.
you can change your weapon, right?
Famous last words. Fuck you.
Fuck me in the ass.
God, I am going to throw you off the Empire State Building.
Here, bitch.
Oh my, what?
Yeah, I vaporized you.
You just sound like a rocket artillery barrage at me. Wait.
Yeah, I told you this is
That's the end.
Uno reverse card.
That's the end. Okay, I accidentally killed myself. Okay, cool.
That's the Uno reverse card of this game.
Wait for a second. I could have sworn I was just the gun and nothing else.
What the heck just happened? Oh, I'm gonna use that weapon. I'm gonna use that.
I used the Uno reverse card.
Oh yeah,
The head stack.
Nerf head stack, please. Now I'm gonna bring out the pure democracy.
All right.
100%.
I have the best weapon known to mankind.
No, I'm gonna use the 90% democracy, 10% oil.
Still won't save you against the best weapon known to mankind.
The BF.
How the f do I reload?
Wait, R.
The same way you reload.
Oh, thank you.
Did
Why
you
is
not
reloading just stroking
Where'd
it?
this bitch go?
What? It's literally stroking its ego. It's literally stroking its ego.
You stroke him. You stroke him.
It's literally just stroking its ego.
No, you don't stroke its ego. You stroke his balls.
God damn it! Take your head out my butt.
Fuck you.
Where are you? I'm
It
paranoid.
only
No.
took half my mag to vaporize you.
I wonder who won.
I can see
I
all of you.
wonder.
It only took half my mag to vaporize Holden.
23 eliminations.
My arm hurt and I have a short mouse space.
No. Oh, my streak.
And,
I got the
My
highest streak.
nipples hard.
Oh,
No, No, I got
died.
like
He
10.
died until 15 times. He
my
died until
highest streak
15
was
times.
13. That's cap. That is cap.
I got 4 eliminations.
No,
That's pretty
I
good,
had the
right?
highest, Holden, I had the highest streak at the end of the game. That's
Oh.
why it shows that. That's why it gave it to me. I had the highest streak at the end of the game because I stroked your dicks with a head stack 3 times.
God.
Also, where'd the other one go? There's only 3 of us.
I don't know.
Oh yeah.
What gun should I use?
Do you like that? Do you like it, Holden?
God.
I just have to aim it
Is that
towards
your
you.
king, Holden?
What?
Whatever he did.
I just have to aim it in your general direction.
I swear, Maddox is the type of person to use. No, guys.
I
guys.
stroke those things
Maddox is the type of person to use a cheese grater as a sex toy.
Dude, you wanna know how I'm able to vaporize you? This thing is a full auto. It's a full auto.
BFG.
No, dude, this thing is full auto. Just hold down the button. It's a full auto. Just hold down the button and they
Test.
just die.
Oh, I'm gonna smoke y'all. I've got the BFG.
It did debugger.
And we both have the head stack.
I swear, if you're both gonna team up on me, that's it.
Damn it. This is gonna be torture.
God.
Yeah, it's literally just like an open field.
I swear, this is gonna turn into a VR chat server if.
Hey guys, did you know that weaponry is a game on Roblox? I didn't know that.
I see.
Oh, Holden as a sniper, yeah.
This
He
is Quid
he
Job.
definitely
is
wanted
Quid
this to
Job.
happen.
Gotcha.
I hit you with the entire reload.
I've seen it hit you once. No.
Joke's on you, I accidentally killed myself.
I'm gonna pick a different weapon. This sucks.
The fuck was that noise?
No.
There you go.
You just hit me with a rocket artillery.
I'm going until I see the words rifle. Oh, I'm gonna do an
I just have to
AK-47.
mag dump you and just hope that you die.
No.
See? See, I just mag dump you.
All right,
until
let's
you
make
die.
a rule: no head stack. That is just.
Fine. That shit is foul.
It got done.
That shit is just foul.
Oh, I got two BFGs that can stop me.
Except for third parties.
Except for an AA-12.
No.
Got All it took was an AA-12.
Oh no, he's got the BFG.
Hold on, what the heck is happening with this?
Fuck
It's
is
not
going
fought. There it goes.
on? America! Got him! Headshot!
Why is it not firing?
Okay. Dude, this game.
Hey, Holden, why? Oh, there it goes.
Got it. No.
There we go. Now I got a
I'm
BFG.
gonna.
You fucking bitch. You fucking bitch. Again. But with more bitch filling. You fucking bitch, but with more bitch filling. God.
Yeah,
He switched guns. He switched guns. He's using the AUG.
I'm using the OG.
The AUG.
The OG. God. Stop standing still while you shoot. You're gonna get murked.
Yeah. You're gonna get your ass double teamed.
my dying words to my wife is, PS3 has no game.
Whatever.
This gun sucks ass.
And I fucking mine.
All right, I'm switching. Wait, should we do AUG only?
Wait, no,
Should
let's do
should we-
knife only.
wait,
Let's do knife only. Knife only. Knife
Oh
only,
my
knife
God.
only.
No, fuck no, fuck that.
A London resident meets average America enjoyer.
I thought you said
America
knife mode.
enjoyer. Yeah, no, I said fuck that. So we're not doing it. Wait, guys, can I just want to talk to him. I just want to talk to him. I
With
just
an
want to talk to
RPG,
him.
I don't think so.
I just want to talk to him. Yeah,
Yeah,
no,
that's like the
And I-
viral warning shot meme.
I
have the
Patterson,
name of a
Patterson fire
stormtrooper.
warning shot. This is an M32, a grenade launcher.
I just want to talk to him.
So
Yeah,
you got an
Patterson.
RPG.
I just want to talk to him.
No,
Well, how did I do that?
I just saw
I
a
ju- I
rocket
just wanna
blaze
talk to
past and you have Mog.
Oh, this is
I
better.
just wanna
Hold on,
talk
I'm gonna
to
choose
him.
your
You-
level.
I just want to talk to him. I
You
just want to talk to
point
him.
blank put a rocket propelled grenade of tungsten in his.
I managed to assist myself using. Wait, Holden, kill me, kill me. Kill me, Holden,
Was
kill
the
me.
gun
kill me.
that you had hold of?
I assisted myself.
God. Euthanasia.
Hold on. Was the
Euthanasia.
gun that you had?
I'll get one. No,
And
it's,
also
no,
Okay.
look, that would literally just be euthanasia.
euthanasia.
No,
What do
euthanasia.
what do children in Asia have to do with this?
Well, if you're talking about Japan suicide, so I mean.
Holden, shut up. We're not talking about Japan suicide.
I just love how Japan obsessed with you are just said nope, we're not talking about the bad things in Japan.
Yeah, this gun is much better.
Yeah.
If we're talking about if euthanasia means suicide, then youth in Africa should mean no water.
Let's talk about America suicide.
No, America would just be American
If
gun violence. American gun violence.
If euthanasia is suicide, then
America would be hate crime.
oh yeah, I'm dual wielding this bitch and I still couldn't kill you.
I don't want to put on the goddamn mouth.
I know why I can't kill him. It's not a full auto. Me when the gun that I'm using.
I
to
do
commit
not
a
care.
murder isn't
I
full
do
auto.
not care. No.
Me when
You
the
are
gun I'm
there.
using. Me when the gun I'm using isn't a full auto. There we go.
Ruh-roh, Jimmo, that's gonna get you in
Me
trouble
with-
with
me with
the ATF, Jimmo.
Me when the gun I'm using isn't a full auto. I don't want to use it.
No, well, if you use
Alright.
a auto, you're gonna have to speak to the ATF.
Oh
so.
my god! I just one-shotted him with a deagle.
Oh no!
A
Oh
desert
no! Oh no!
eagle.
No!
I just one-shotted that man with a straight-up desert eagle. I straight up one-shotted that man one time with a desert eagle. Dude, the deagle is just unnecessarily powerful.
Yeah.
Like a revolver should not have that much knockback.
It's not a revolver.
Whatever the fuck. Hey guys, you want to see me make peace?
Nope.
You guys want to see me make peace?
Make peace with my bullshit.
You guys want to see me make peace? I got the fucking peacemaker. You guys want to see me make peace? I got the fucking peacemaker.
I put my dick into a blender. I am a registered sex offender.
Yeah,
I
I
am a
just took my.
registered sex offender. I stick my dick into a blender.
Your mom used a chicken tender as a sex toy.
I am a.
Legalized nuclear bombs. No. Oh, I was just having a normal conversation, like, oh,
I just want to talk to him. I just want to talk to him.
Nope.
I just want.
yeah,
Come
talk to
on,
him
dude,
when your vocal cords are shot out.
I was just trying to talk to Maddox. I was just trying to talk to him.
Yeah, try and talk to him when your vocal cords are shot out.
I'm just gonna talk to him. I'm just gonna talk to him. I'm just gonna talk to him. I'm just gonna talk to him.
I swear to God, if he's coming from the AA-12
No,
one
you
more time,
can't
I'm
talk
telling you
to
the
him.
ATF.
Friends' houses.
I suck with
What is
the
that?
ATL.
Oh, it's still a AUG 81.
It's an
A1.
AUG 81.
I don't get gun lore.
I
Gun lore?
suck with the AA-12. I suck with the AA-12, but it's the only gun I'm good at.
Yeah,
I
because
suck with the AA-12, but it's the gun that I'm the best at.
I swear,
Come out.
If I move a muscle, I know you're gonna blow my head off.
Frick this.
I witnessed that. I witnessed that from afar.
You witnessed me commit a war crime.
Yeah, you literally made him commit suicide.
I literally committed a war crime.
That's gotta be some sort of war crime, I feel like.
I'm just gonna watch. I'm a spectator.
Well,
And
thing
to
is-
this I'm out to a whole nother level.
Are you gonna
Yeah, I'm gonna. Yeah, I'm
No!
gonna.
You want drugs?
No!
Oh shit.
I have
Yep,
a
frick
bloodlust.
this. Peace out.
I have a bloodlust.
So you want a red blood cells?
I have some sort of bloodlust. All I want is just murder, death,
No.
and destruction. All I want is penile erection.
What?
All I want is very large erections.
Oh my God. No, what? No, no.
Scrapped this recording because it's gone on for way too long.
Yeah.